Imagine stepping into your backyard, a place where the hustle and bustle of daily life fades away. Picture a sanctuary filled with lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and the soothing sounds of nature. This is not just a dream, it can be your reality. As you walk through this serene garden setting, you feel a wave of peace wash over you. The stress of the day melts away, replaced by a sense of calm and tranquility. This is your personal retreat, a place to unwind and recharge. The gentle breeze carries the scent of blooming flowers, filling the air with a sweet, natural fragrance. Each flower, with its vibrant colors and delicate petals, adds to the beauty of your garden oasis. Birds chirp merrily in the trees, their songs creating a symphony of nature. These cheerful melodies add to the peaceful ambiance, making your garden a haven for both you and the local wildlife. Imagine the joy of spending time in such a beautiful space, whether alone or with loved ones. A garden like this can be a source of happiness and a place to create lasting memories. You can transform your backyard into a garden oasis. With a bit of planning and effort, you can turn any outdoor space into a lush, green retreat. It's easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. From selecting the right plants to designing the layout, I'll provide tips and advice to help you create the garden of your dreams. Gardening is a rewarding journey. It allows you to connect with nature, nurture living things, and watch them grow. The process of planting seeds, tending to plants, and seeing them flourish is incredibly fulfilling. Imagine harvesting fresh vegetables and herbs from your garden, knowing that they are organic and homegrown. This not only provides you with healthy food, but also a sense of accomplishment. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a small balcony, you can create a green haven. No space is too small to be transformed into a beautiful garden. So let's get started. Together, we can turn your outdoor space into a garden oasis. With a bit of effort and the right guidance, you'll soon have a beautiful, tranquil garden to enjoy. The first step is to choose the right spot for your garden. Most vegetables and flowering plants thrive in sunlight. Look for an area in your backyard that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If you have a shady backyard, don't worry. Many beautiful plants prefer shade. Hostas, ferns, and impatiens can add lush greenery to shadier spots. Observe your backyard throughout the day to determine the sunniest and shadiest areas. Healthy soil is the key to a thriving garden. It is the foundation upon which all successful gardening is built. Without healthy soil, plants struggle to grow, and the garden's overall health suffers. Healthy soil provides essential nutrients for your plants to grow strong. These nutrients include nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are vital for plant growth and development. Additionally, healthy soil has a good structure that allows roots to penetrate deeply and access water and nutrients efficiently. When your soil is healthy, your plants can produce abundant flowers and fruits. This means more vibrant blooms and a bountiful harvest. Healthy soil also supports beneficial microorganisms that help break down organic matter and release nutrients back into the soil. Before you start planting, it's a good idea to test your soil. Soil testing helps you understand the current state of your soil, including its pH level and nutrient content. This information is crucial for making informed decisions about how to amend and improve your soil. You can purchase a soil testing kit from a garden center. These kits are easy to use and provide valuable insights into your soil's health. By knowing the pH level of your soil, you can determine if it is too acidic or too alkaline for your plants. This will tell you the pH level of your soil and whether it's lacking in any nutrients. If your soil is too acidic, you can add lime to raise the pH. If it's too alkaline, you can add sulfur to lower the pH. Additionally, the test results will indicate if your soil is deficient in any essential nutrients. Based on the test results, you can amend your soil with compost, manure, or other organic matter to improve its texture and fertility. Compost is an excellent soil amendment because it adds organic matter, improves soil structure, and provides a slow-release source of nutrients. Manure is another great option for enriching your soil. It adds nutrients and organic matter, which helps improve soil structure and water retention. Other organic matter, such as leaf mold or grass clippings, can also be used to enhance your soil's fertility. By regularly adding organic matter to your soil, you can create a healthy, thriving garden that will reward you with beautiful plants and abundant harvests. Choosing the right plants is part of the fun of gardening. If you're a beginner, start with easy-to-grow varieties. Tomatoes, basil, zucchini, and marigolds are all great choices. These plants are relatively low maintenance and rewarding to grow. Tomatoes and zucchini will provide you with delicious homegrown produce. Basil adds flavor to your dishes. Marigolds deter pests with their bright colors and distinct scent. Watering your plants is an essential part of gardening, but it requires a delicate balance. Too much water can be just as harmful as too little. In this section, we'll explore the nuances of watering to help you achieve the perfect balance for your garden. Watering is crucial for your plant's survival, but it's important to find the right balance. Each plant has its own specific needs, and understanding these needs is key to successful gardening. Some plants thrive in moist soil, while others prefer it to be on the drier side. Knowing your plant's preferences will guide you in providing the right amount of water. Overwatering can suffocate the roots, while underwatering can lead to wilting. When you overwater, the soil becomes waterlogged, depriving the roots of the oxygen they need to thrive. This can cause the roots to rot and the plant to die. On the other hand, underwatering can cause the plant to become dehydrated, leading to wilting and eventually death if not corrected. A simple way to check if your plants need water is to stick your finger about an inch into the soil. This method is quick and effective. If the soil feels dry at this depth, it's a sign that your plant needs water. However, if it feels moist, you can wait a little longer before watering again. This technique helps prevent both overwatering and underwatering. If the soil feels dry, it's time to water. Dry soil can be detrimental to your plants, as it means they are not getting the moisture they need to absorb nutrients and grow. Regularly checking the soil moisture ensures that your plants are always in the best condition to thrive. Water deeply and slowly, allowing the water to penetrate the roots. Deep watering encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making the plant more resilient to drought conditions. Slow watering ensures that the water is absorbed by the soil rather than running off the surface. This method is particularly important for young plants and seedlings, which need consistent moisture to establish strong root systems. Avoid watering the leaves, as this can promote fungal diseases. Watering the leaves can create a humid environment that is ideal for the growth of fungi and other pathogens. Instead, focus on watering the soil around the base of the plant. This not only keeps the leaves dry, but also ensures that the water reaches the roots where it is needed most. By following these tips, you can master the art of watering and keep your garden healthy and vibrant. Mulch is a gardener's best friend. It's a layer of organic material such as wood chips, straw, or shredded bark that you spread around your plants. Mulch offers numerous benefits. It helps to retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering. It also suppresses weed growth, saving you time and effort. Furthermore, as mulch decomposes, it adds nutrients to the soil. Some plants, like tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans, tend to grow tall and may need support. Providing support not only helps them grow upright, but also improves air circulation and makes harvesting easier. You can use stakes, cages, or trellises to support your plants. Insert the stakes or cages into the ground near the base of the plant. Trellises are ideal for climbing plants and can add a decorative touch to your garden. Gardening is more than just a hobby, it's a way of life. It's a chance to connect with nature, get some fresh air and exercise, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Imagine biting into a juicy tomato that you grew yourself, or adding fresh basil to your pasta sauce. Gardening allows you to control the quality of your food and avoid harmful pesticides. It's a rewarding experience that nourishes both body and soul. Transforming your backyard into a garden oasis is a journey filled with joy, discovery, and delicious rewards. Start small, experiment with different plants, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Remember, gardening is a process of learning and growing. Embrace the journey, and soon you'll be enjoying the beauty and bounty of your very own garden oasis. Happy gardening!